do a Q now.
Okay, sir.
Action.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the interview. Please, may we know you and your official designation?
Okay, my name is Julia Awe. I'm the MD of GDOS Systems. It's an IT firm, and I'm a policy analyst, technology policy analyst.
All right. So, can you give us a brief overview of the Green Energy Summit? What is it all about?
Okay, the Green Energy Summit is a focus on the aspects of green energy that could be of benefit to the country, because we have discovered that there are a lot of challenges that Nigeria has in terms of energy, and we should not be having those challenges in view of the resources that we have as a country. A country that has so much sunlight should not be suffering from some of the energy crisis that we are facing. So this summit is looking at how to address some of these areas using technology, using policies, using the youths, and different areas, looking at different areas in which Nigeria and Africa itself can realize its potential in energy, because Africa and Nigeria, we are one of the most resource-rich areas in the world, and so that's what the summit is looking at. How can we use our talents? How can we use policies and collaborate to get solutions so that we can solve our problems in the energy sector?
All right. As a participant in this summit, so what are you bringing to the table?
As a participant, I'm in the digital field. So as a participant, what I'm bringing to the table is my perspective on how we can use digital technologies to actually help to spread green energy, green technology, how we can improve green technology, how we can use green technology to solve problems. Because every aspect of life now is affected by digital technologies. And the green energy area should not be an exception. So I'll bring that expertise into the discourse.
What are other corresponding or complementary maybe skill sets that are expected to maybe do presentations in the summit?
Okay, in the summit you are going to have, for example, you are going to have people, because not just a technology summit, you are looking at policy. Part of the reason why we are not realizing our green energy potential is maybe we don't have the required policies in place. We are looking at encouraging the youths to be investing in green energy, to take it up as a career, to take it up as entrepreneurs. We are also looking at a situation where I'm very glad that this summit is also collaborating with the legislatures, with government agencies, and even the private sector. So collaboration is very important. It's not an area in which you can go on your own. So these are some of the areas that, off the top of my head, I can just